A very good morning to all my students. Wishing you a beautiful day. Children, let us start our chapter 3, that is the oldest is the wisest exercise. We have already did our back exercise till page number 33. I mean to say, we have already done the back exercise till diary entry. And today we are going to do test your grammar. Today we are going to do the grammar section in our books, page number 33. And look at question number 1, that is underline the nouns. Noun means naming words, name wale words. In the given sentences, you have given 2 sentences. In these 2 sentences, you have to find out the nouns means naming words and then underline those nouns. आपने noun को find out करना और उसको underline करना है. First is the forest was full of banyan trees. So in this sentence the nouns are forest and banyan tree. Coming to second sentence, an elephant. Elephant is the name of an animal. That is why elephant is a noun. So we will underline the word elephant. Then a monkey. Monkey is also name of animal. So we will underline the word monkey. And a partridge. Partridge is name of bird and noun means naming words. That is why we will underline the partridge also. Lived near one of the largest trees. Tree is also naming word. That is why we will underline this. Now coming to question number 2. Underline the verbs. Verbs means action words. In the given sentences, you have given 2 sentences. In these 2 sentences, you have to find out the action words, which I mean to say verbs, and then underline. The dancers swirled, romped, and danced gracefully. So children, in this sentence, the action words are swirled, romped, danced. Then coming to second sentence, the boy ate all the bananas and threw the peels in the dustbin. So children, in this sentence the verb means action words are at, eat, khana, threw, fenkna. So in this sentence the action words are at and threw. So we will underline these 2 verbs, that is at and threw. Then question number 3, underline the adjective in the given sentences. You have given 2 sentences. In these 2 sentences you have to find out the adjectives and then underline that adjective. Adjective means the words which describe the noun. जो nouns यानी name वाले word को describe करते हैं, those words are called adjectives. So the first sentence is, the happy children sat in the cool shade of the huge tree. So children, in this sentence the naming word noun is children. Children आपका noun है, तो children कैसा है? Happy है. That is why happy is adjective. So we will underline the word happy. Then shade. Shade कैसी है? Cool. So we will underline the word cool. Tree कैसा है? Huge, big. So we will underline the word huge. So in the first sentence the adjectives are happy, cool, huge. Now come to second sentence. The angry father. Father is the noun. तो father कैसे हैं? Angry हैं. So we will underline the word angry. The angry father scolded. Scolded क्या हुई आपकी? Verb. The disobedient सन, सन भी आपका नाउन है, तो सन कैसा है? डिसोबीडियंट. सो इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस the adjectives are angry and disobedient. Now coming to next question, that is fun with vocabulary. And in this question what you have to do, आपने क्या करना है? tick mark the antonyms. Antonym means opposite words. You have to tick the opposite words of the words picked from the lesson. आपको एक वर्ड दिया गया दैट इज वाइज. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एंटोनिम ऑफ वाइज. आपने वाइज का एंटोनिम, एंटोनिम मीन्स अपोजिट वर्ड ढूंढना है कौन सा है और उसको टिक मार्क करना है. वाइज, इंटेलिजेंट, जस्ट, फूल. तो वाइज का मतलब तो इंटेलिजेंट होता है, तो वो अपोजिट हुआ ही नहीं, तो वाइज का अपोजिट क्या हुआ? फूल. सो वी विल टिक मार्क द वर्ड फूल. Then simple, complex, compound, soft. तो simple का antonym means opposite word. The opposite word of simple will be complex. Then answered, replied, no, questioned, yes. Answer का opposite क्या होगा? Question. Then accepted, delighted, no, dejected, नो, रिजेक्टेड, यस. एक्सेप्ट मतलब स्वीकार करना, मान लेना. रिजेक्ट इनकार करना, मना करना. फॉर्मर मीन्स पहले. बिफोर, नो. लेटर, लेटर, मिडल. बिफोर पहले, लेटर बाद में, मिडल बीच. तो पहले का एंटोनिम विल बी लेटर. हाईएस्ट, लोवेस्ट, yes. Topmost, no. Brightest, no. So antonym of highest will be lowest. Remember, to recall, no. Forget, yes. Remember means याद रखना and forget means भूल जाना. Then planted, planted मतलब कोई चीज़ उगाना. Seeded, no. Germinate, no. Uprooted, yes. Planted means कोई चीज़ उगाना. Uprooted means कोई चीज़ उखाड़ना. पीस, पीस मतलब शांति और वॉर मतलब युद्ध. यंग, यूथ, नो. ओल्ड, यस. यंग मतलब जवान, ओल्ड मतलब बूढ़ा. सो लेट अस रिवाइज वंस अगेन द वर्ड्स विच यू हैव टू टिक मार्क. द एंटोनिम ऑफ वाइज विल बी फूल. एंटोनिम ऑफ सिंपल विल बी कॉम्प्लेक्स. एंटोनिम ऑफ आंसर्ड विल बी questioned. Antonym of accepted will be rejected. Antonym of former will be later. Antonym of highest will be lowest. Antonym of remember will be forget. Antonym of planted will be uprooted. Antonym of peace will be war. And antonym of young will be old. So children, thank you for watching and listening. Now all of you have to do this back exercise in your books and then show me your work to me after completing your work. Thank you children.